The DREO Smart Fan for Bedroom. 120 degrees plus 120 degrees keeps popping up everywhere. I grabbed one. Here's my unfiltered take. So, first off, let's talk about what really matters to you when it comes to a fan. For me, it's all about airflow and how well it circulates air throughout the room. The DREO Smart Fan delivers on that front with its powerful 1000 CFM engine and turbo wind tech, which ensures whole room circulation in just 1 minute for spaces up to 105 square feet. That's a game changer, especially during hot summer days or when you're trying to get out of bed in the morning. But here's the thing. What I love most about this fan is how easy it is to control and customize. With the DREO app, voice commands, or even remote control, you can adjust everything from the oscillation pattern to the RGB light and mode settings. It's super intuitive, and I found myself tweaking it every day just because I could. And honestly, when my wife and I were having a particularly rowdy movie night, I realized that this fan is not just about airflow but also about noise level. We live in an apartment building, so we have to keep the noise down. But with the DREO Smart Fan, even at its highest setting, it's only 20 dB, which is almost deafeningly quiet. My wife and I were watching a rom-com, laughing away like lunatics, and not once did our neighbor complain. So, here's my verdict. If you're in the market for a new fan that will revolutionize your sleep, work, or movie nights, buy this. It's that good. Just be aware of one major flaw. The stand can be a bit flimsy, and I had to tighten it up a few times after it started wobbling. You might want to skip this if you're on a tight budget, as the price is a bit steeper than some other fans out there. However, considering how well made it feels and the quality of materials, it's definitely worth the investment if you prioritize comfort and performance. If that was useful, chuck a subscribe, new honest review every week. The Amazon link is right below. Until next time.